Did you know there's a $400 billion industry hiding in plain sight that's getting people out of their 9-to-5s and generating real income for them? You know about it. You may even be paying for it, but you've probably never thought about starting a business doing it. Why? Because people assume it's too simple, too small, or that there isn't real money in it. But those beliefs are exactly what makes it such an incredible opportunity. And I'm talking about the cleaning industry. While everyone else is chasing the latest online trend, there are people quietly building cleaning businesses that make real, steady income and that create real freedom. Like my coaching student Sally, who went from struggling realtor to six-figure cleaning business owner in just 90 days. You can check out her story at the link below. And here's what makes this possible. You're not creating some new product. You're selling a simple service that people already need and already pay for, meaning you can go from zero to steady cash flow very fast. And you don't need special skills, a college degree, or years of experience. You just need to understand how the industry works so you can capitalize on the opportunity. And after owning my own cleaning business for over 25 years and generating multiple 7 figures in this industry, that's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. Let's get to work. So most people think cleaning is just cleaning. That's their first mistake. Cleaning is not what people are actually paying for. They're paying for peace of mind. They're paying for less stress. And this is true in all cleaning types. For residential, think about a busy family, both parents working, kids running around, weekends packed with activities. Do they want to spend their Saturdays scrubbing bathrooms? Of course not. They want their time back. So when they hire a cleaner, they're not thinking, I'm paying for someone to mop my floors. They're thinking, I finally don't have to worry about this anymore. That's what they're buying. Same thing in commercial cleaning. A business owner doesn't care about how you wipe a desk. They care that their office looks clean when clients walk in. They care that their staff has a safe and professional workspace. This is called selling outcomes, and selling outcomes will make you way more money than selling tasks. If you ignore this, you'll undercharge forever. But when you understand it, everything changes. Now let's talk about why this industry is so powerful, because this is where most people really underestimate it. Cleaning is not a one-time need. It's recurring. Homes don't stay clean. Offices don't stay clean. Construction sites don't magically clean themselves. So when you land a client, you don't just get paid once. You get paid again and again. And that's how you build a highly profitable business. Let me show you how simple this can be. Let's say you land just 25 residential clients, each paying $200 per clean on a bi-weekly schedule. That's $10,000 a month from just 25 clients. Now take that a step further. If those clients stay for 3 to 5 years, which is very common, each one is worth $15,000 to $25,000 over time. That's called lifetime value, or LTV. And that's what most people completely miss. They think small, or they think one job. But the people who win in this industry think long-term. They stack repeat clients on top of each other. And that's how they build consistent income. And those estimates are even very conservative. Because when I did luxury residential cleaning, I had clients with LTVs as high as $250,000. And I now have commercial clients with LTVs as high as $500,000. Next, let's talk about where most people talk themselves out of this opportunity. They say things like, yeah, but it's not a real business, or there's no way it pays that well. But think about this. Nobody says plumbing isn't a real business, or that running a restaurant isn't a real business. But just like cleaning, both of these examples offer very simple services. So what's the difference? Public perception. Cleaning has been labeled as a low-value skill, but that doesn't mean it is. It just means people don't understand business. Because when you look at this industry like a business owner, you see something very different. You see high demand. You see recurring revenue. You see low startup costs. You see something you can scale. And as we already discussed, you see insanely high lifetime values. And that's the mental shift you need to make to stop seeing this as a small opportunity when it's really a massive one. You're not just doing cleaning jobs. You're building a legit local service business. And there are 3 directions you can take. Option 1, you can start small and do the cleaning yourself. And this is how many start. And you can easily make anywhere from $300 to $600 a day in profit. Option 2, you can go a little bigger and hire a cleaner or 2 and work alongside them. This allows you to make money off of them and drastically increase your earnings to anywhere between $600 to $1,000 a day in profit, and in some markets, much more. Then option 3, you can hire out the cleaning completely and go as big as you want, earning $1,000 a day in profit and beyond. And in all cases, you can go at your own pace. So even if you decide to start small, that doesn't mean you have to stay small. In fact, the path many take is this. You land your first few clients, and this builds your confidence. Then you raise your prices, which leads to better clients. Then you build systems. You hire more help. And before you know it, you're the owner of a 6-figure cleaning business, and quite likely even a multiple 6-figure cleaning business. But that's the path most people don't see. They only see the starting point, or they only see the public perception that cleaning is a cheap skill, and they totally miss where it can actually go. So here's something you need to understand early on. This industry rewards action far more than it does perfection. You don't need everything figured out from day one. You just need your first client. Because once you or your team does that first job, you learn, you improve, you build confidence, and you keep moving forward. It's like going to the gym. You don't wait until you're in shape to start. You start, and then the results follow. Same thing here. The results will follow, provided you put in the work. It really is that simple. Now, let's talk more about the money aspect, because I know that's what you're really thinking about. Can you make good money in this industry? Yes. And back to the examples from earlier, the ones who hit these numbers do a few things right. Number 1, they treat it like a real business from day one, meaning they price properly, they focus on recurring clients, they build systems, and they build a team with a great work culture. Number 2, as I mentioned earlier, they don't just sell cleaning, they sell outcomes. And number 3, they focus on value-driven clients, which for those that don't know, means clients who value their time more than their money. Those are the clients who will pay a lot of money for an outcome. And trust me, when you position yourself correctly, you will have no trouble finding these clients. And doing these 3 things consistently is how you carve out your piece of this $400 billion industry. So here's what this really comes down to. There is a massive, growing industry right in front of you that solves a real problem, that has constant demand, and that creates real income. And most people completely ignore it because it doesn't look exciting. But that's exactly why it works. And the boring businesses are the ones that actually pay. So if you feel stuck, wanting more freedom and control, both personally and financially, then this just might be for you. A simple, recurring service, a clear path, and a business that doesn't rely on the latest trends. And again, you don't need to start big, you just need to start. And the people who do are the ones who will capitalize on this massive opportunity. If you want my personal help every step of the way, then click the link below. We'll build exactly what you want together. Or if you're not quite there yet, then watch this video next. And remember, more profit equals more freedom.